the difference between Zambia and China for me. The reason why China is successful today by Emmanuel Mwamba is because China is run by engineers. Xi Jinping has a bachelor's degree in chemical engineering. What do engineers do? Engineering solve problems and they create solutions. The difference between China and the United States is that the United States is run by the lawyers. What do lawyers do? They distract. That is the difference. So China has benefited from being a one-party state where they do not have opposition within the house. They sent their students abroad, but when those students came, they were not coming to join the opposition party or anything. They came to develop the country because they did not have these politics that we have. They had one party, and within that party, if you wanted to serve as a politician, you started from the grassroots, and that was Kaunda too, by the way. You start from the grassroots until you prove yourself that you are pragmatic and you rise up. Then the party chooses you to be the premier and you become the president.